When installing a new double oven and needing to run a new branch circuit, you can run non-metallic sheath cable inside flexible metallic conduit under certain conditions. According to the National Electrical Code, NM cable can be installed inside FMC provided that the FMC is protected from physical damage, the FMC is securely fastened to the structure, and the NM cable is bundled and secured within the FMC. Based on these requirements, a suggested installation method is as follows. Firstly, run the 6/3 NM cable inside 3/4 inch FMC from the garage or kitchen wall to the far end of the L cabinet. Secondly, securely fasten the FMC to the ceiling or wall junction in the garage using appropriate hardware. Thirdly, run the FMC along the back bottom of the cabinet to the new oven box. Fourthly, fasten the FMC to the cabinet using screws or other suitable fasteners. Fifthly, bundle and secure the NM cable within the FMC using zip ties or other approved methods. This method has several advantages, including that it is concealed. The FMC end cable will be hidden within the cabinet, providing a clean and professional appearance. It is also protected. The FMC provides protection from physical damage to the cable, and it is convenient. Routing the cable through the cabinet is typically less messy and time-consuming than notching the backsplash wall studs. An alternative method is also available. If you prefer to run the cable along the countertop backsplash wall, you can do so provided that the following steps are taken. Firstly, notch the studs behind the backsplash to create a pathway for the cable. Secondly, install the backsplash over the cable, leaving enough space for the cable to pass through. Thirdly, secure the cable to the backsplash using appropriate fasteners. While this method is also acceptable, it is generally less preferred due to the potential for damage to the backsplash and the increased labor involved.